5 different ways to use the Keurig machine. If you already have a Keurig machine, I'm sure you figured most of this out, but if you don't have a Keurig machine, I love it and they're really helpful. Okay, so the first way to use your Keurig machine is, of course, to make coffee. But what you might not know or realize is that with the Keurig 2.0 at least, there's 3 different sizes that you can actually make your coffee in. You can use the cup size, the mug size, and then the carafe. Any of the Keurig machines do the other 2, but the 2.0, you can actually do the carafe as well. And then there's, you can of course buy the pods that are already pre-filled, or you can use the refillable pods, which is what I always use. And these 2, there's for the smaller one, this is for the carafe. These 2 pods I actually bought at Walmart, but recently I purchased some much cheaper ones of the smaller ones off of Amazon, so check that out. Anyways, option number 1 for your Keurig machine is making coffee. All right, so the second way for you to use the Keurig machine is to make tea. You can either make hot tea or iced tea. I tend to use the refillable pod and then just use it with tea bags, and you can check out the link below for how to do that. But you can of course also buy the pods that are already filled. But making tea is the second way to use your Keurig machine. The third way to use your Keurig machine is to make hot chocolate. Now you've got a couple different options with this. You can either use the pod, a pod of hot chocolate, or you can just use the hot water cycle and then mix your regular hot chocolate packet in there. And I like extra marshmallows, so I've thrown some extra marshmallows in there, and then you've got your hot chocolate. So hot chocolate is the third way to use your Keurig machine. The fourth way to use your Keurig machine is to make oatmeal, and it's really easy. So I just poured the packet inside the bowl, used 4 ounces of the hot water, and then just mixed it up. I add a little bit of milk and a little bit of sugar with it, but then you have a yummy and really quick breakfast. So making oatmeal is the 4th way to use your Keurig machine. Okay, so the 5th and final way to use your Keurig machine is to make a cup of soup. And it's really easy. Again, you just use the hot water cycle. I used 10 ounces of water, and I went ahead and filled this up and then covered it up for 3 minutes. And so now my noodles are ready, and just really a quick and easy meal. You can see my noodles look really yummy. So this is 5 different ways for using your Keurig machine. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. That's just an easy way to access some of my other videos, and thanks for watching.